What's up guys, Rihanna here, and today I'll be breaking down Yiheng's 3.47 seconds, and this solve is super mind-blowing because he did triple X cross, really brilliant, and on top of that, this solve is full listed. So without further ado, let's try to get into this. As always, he did white cross, and the cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And also there is a solve pair back there that he inserted this one right after the triple X cross. Anyway, he did triple X cross with this bar, this solve edge, and these two edges as well. So he did F and put these two into the correct spot, and then D and another F and put these two into the correct spot as well, and then another D and again F move and solve these two as well. So as you can see, he kind of solved the first layer and the middle layer as well. And here's the moment that magic happened. He did D move and solved the last cross edge and this X cross edge at the same time by doing wide R, U prime, wide R prime, and at the end a D move. And here you go. He did triple X cross as a piece of cake. Then he went for the last one, so he took out this pair like that, and instead of cube rotation, he did white D prime and then R, U prime, R prime. And after that, he did OLL, so he did U2, S, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, white F prime, and then he did F pair. And then AUF. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, but don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.